Hello friends, welcome to learn Microsoft Word. Now we are going to learn a very simple menu, or you can also say it's tab, view tab or view menu. It is used only to view the document. The first one is read mode. Here I have one document. It has number of pages. If I want to just read this document, then simply I can click on this is view outlet. This is view tab. I can simply click on read mode. Now this document is open in read only mode. Okay, you can easily read it with the help of this view. Okay, then the next one view is print layout view. Layout view is a default view of Word. Whenever we open the document, then by default document is in print layout view. In print layout view, we can also vary. In print layout view, we can also oftenly use ruler. It is This is a ruler. Here we have horizontal ruler. Okay, this is used whenever you want to print your document. The next view or tab is web layout. If you want to display your page like a web page, then you can use web layout view. Okay, here is also outline view. Outline view, in this view it will show data like points. Okay, then again close the here outline view. Then there is draft. Draft is a simple data. You can also view your document in draft, but most popular view is print layout view. Okay, you can also use guideline. If you want to guideline for your paragraph or any document, you can also use here guidelines. Okay, if you don't want guideline, remove this. After that, this is navigation pane. If you want to within this current document you want to search any data, then you can use navigation wizard. It is really very useful. Suppose here I want to, this is the information of Ratan Tata. I want to use search Tata. It will highlight the given word. It is very useful for searching this data. Okay, you can also here use pages and result. Here the data is highlighted and in bold view. Okay, if you don't want this, just click deselect this checkbox. There is zoom menu. We all are familiar with this menu, zoom menu. This is 75%. You can we can also simply zoom this with the help of this status bar. Okay, here is also zoom. Here are also views button, print layout view, read mode, and web layout view. Okay, then at a time you want to only display one page, then you can click on one page. If you want to check the multiple pages at a time, then it is multiple pages. You can also change the page width here. If you want to duplicate this page, then click on new window. The same document is open within the new window. Here is our document is now document 1. Sorry, document 1 is a blank document. Our document is document 1 as 1. Here is a document 1 as 2. The same document are open, or you can say that it is a copy of your document. You can also click on arrange all. Here is first is a blank page, then there is document 1, document 2, like this. It will arrange all the window. Okay, then you can here also use switch window. This is very useful option. Okay, you can also see this side by side. So here document 1, here is, you can also check it side by side. Okay, and if you right or maximize button, then it will display the whole document. Okay, you can also set reset position. Again, click on the maximize button. If you have open a number of documents at a time, you can switch document by using this switch window. Then now let us going to learn what is the use of macro. Macro is used to record the actions. It is mainly used keyboard actions. Then suppose go to macro, record macro. You can give here any name of macro. Suppose here I give M1. If you have a recorded macro, then it will show name macro 1, macro 2, macro 3 like this. Here I give name suppose macro 1. You can also set keyboard shortcut, but your shortcut should not match with your inbuilt shortcuts. Suppose I use here Control A, then it is already assigned to selector. Therefore, this is not a valid shortcut. Suppose let us create shortcut with the help of Shift Control and A. Okay, it is correctly assigned to all caps, that is capital. Suppose here again try K, suppose Q. Okay, and click on assign, close. Here we want to insert current date. Therefore here I type date, and here is whenever recording start, here is the old cassette symbol is appear as a tail of your cursor. Go to insert, click on date and time, and select the format as per your choice. Okay, now go to view and stop recording. Suppose here we have new document and you want to insert the date, then you can directly go to view, select view macros. You can you have given name M1, click on M1 and click on run. Your current system date will display. Okay, like this, with the help of macro you can also create a any uh, layout of your page. Suppose you want to uh, display any message, repeat and repeat, then you can also use macro. Let us see the let us take a new document. Suppose here again go to record macro. Here is the default name is macro 4. You can assign a shortcut. Okay, now here I write thank you and always be with us. Stay blessed, stay happy. Okay, and click on stop recording. Then where you want to put this line. Suppose here you have a number of paragraph, and at the end you want to put this line. Then go to view, go to macros, view macros, and select the appropriate name of macros. Here is the line is repeated. You can also create a any letter format. Click on new. Okay, go to macro, record new macro. Here we give name letter. Okay, yes, in letter we want first date. Okay, let us insert simple date format. Here is the simple date format. Okay, now click enter to give comma. Okay, then after that again put enter. You here subject. Here you can apply random function, but here random function doesn't work in macro. Here in a letter, suppose we have three paragraphs. Right here, then at the end, thank you. Again press enter and give the right alignment. Here you want your faithfully. Okay. Now let us set this format. Uh, it will already record. Go to macro and click on stop macros. Then let us create blank page, and we want that letter format in this page. Then go to view macros. The name of macro is letter run. It is the macro scale, and here if you press enter, then you have here three paragraphs, and you can easily edit this paragraph. Okay, and here is the current date of your system. Like this you can use a macro, but we know that it's not a magic. We record step by step and all things are performed very easily, because in case of macro, in visual basic there is code is created. How? Let us see. Go to view macros. Suppose here I select simple macro m1 and click on edit. Here is the date. In m1 we simply insert the date, then here is a code is generated. Here we have number of macro, then number of macros code is generated. Here is the code of letter format. And whenever we run the macro, then this at background this or at backend this code is get executed. Okay, like this you can use a simple view menu in your document. Thank you for watching the lecture.